Alright, halfway through the last official week of July 23rd, 2025. CN Hayes here, 2057, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian National Superior Submain and milepost 353.17 with the video lined up for you. And I got a feeling the northbound Woodtick might be here. So I think I might be in for a surprise though. Not sure what the motive is here, but I got a feeling that this should be the northbound Woodtick of the L563, 81 of the 23rd. And I have a feeling also that I think a locomotive setout is probably on the lineup to probably be put on a sand load before this last weekend comes around. And also, to my possibility, I think Illinois Central SD40-3 could be on this. I can't really wait to find out when she starts to make the first move. And then we'll check him out on the takeoff to go on to its next stop at Stone Lake. And end the assignment up at Pekegama Yard in Superior. Let's hold tight and await the first move. Alright, looks like 563 has just now made the cut and about ready to head on to Ladysmith Yard to perform the set out. Let's check them out on the roll by. See what they're setting out. Horns are kind of quilling a bit. See what made the return here. There's on tonight's 563 as we have gauge drop. IC 6263's back! IC 6252 as well! 435, SD75 IACC 8320, G44 AC 3265. Locomotive set out. Set out at Ladysmith Yard, NEHX 503019. About that. For goodness sakes, I did not expect the return of the IC 6263 and the IC 6252 again, but why not? Also, with the 5435 dead in tow to maybe brought up to Pekegama on the Deadhead run. But how about that? I did not expect the next 75i ACC to show up on this. I'm sure she'll be on a sand load, which I'm pretty thrilled. I'll take that. So, we'll let that go for now, and in the next video, we'll check out the IC 6263 restart again. After dropping the cars off, might add on what 519 brought back, I don't know. But I'm sure we'll find out soon enough in the next upcoming video for tonight. So stay tuned for it. And this is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Coming up next, the restart of the northbound Woodtick of the L563, 81 of the 23rd. CN Hayes out.